What a windy day it's been.
Yeah, not only windy, but also rainy in many parts of the state, and it's been causing some problems out there. In fact, earlier today, a utility pole fell. Here you see it in Waimanalo. Fortunately, the power there was not affected.
But Hawaiian Electric says they've gotten reports of flickering lights because of the strong winds. And while some folks had nothing but sunshine, others have been seeing nothing but rain clouds.
It'll just be kind of blustery, cloudy, a little bit of rain mixed in with it. It shouldn't be, we're not expecting any flooding or thunderstorms associated with it.
Now for the latest on what we could expect for the rest of your work week, let's turn it on over to Justin Cruz. Just.
Yeah, Howard, Marissa, the wet weather and winds that we're experiencing right now are from weak fronts, just like this one, moving from the west to the east over the islands. Now, these clouds underneath them are moderate rain, so it's drier on both the tail end of the front and the beginning of the front. Currently, Maui County is the recipient of the wet season rain, at least at this hour. This is after moving through Oahu and Kauai earlier today. So the rains that came in from the main source of that rain, actually, this type of year, are fronts like this for leeward spots. In fact, if we didn't have fronts like this, those leeward spots would rain on the dry side. So Lahaina seeing a little bit of rain. That's usually a drier area as well. Lanai and as well as Kihei seeing light to moderate showers right now. And the next stop for this rain is the Big Island, especially for the Kohala areas. As far as the winds go, the wind advisory has been dropped as the wind speeds decrease. However, a high wind warning remains for those Big Island summits. And even though the winds have decreased, they're still from the west. That's a complete opposite direction than what we usually see with the trade winds over an extended period of time. Now, coming up, we'll find out when the next round of wet weather could move through the islands.